Yo, what's the deal? You feel me? Set right now. Got some dope shit on the way. Dope shit on the way. Yo, so a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they wanted to get cracking with this little $1,000 giveaway. So I'm about to show you real quick. Let me, on this phone, I'm about to show you real quick. Y'all, little $1,000 real quick. And what's dope is this an official Forex giveaway because I ran that shit up. You feel me? Put 100 in, ran that shit up, withdrew 1,000 for y'all. Alright. Put 100 in, ran that shit up, withdrew 1,000 for you. So this was an official Forex giveaway. Alright, so go through the trades and we can go through the trades. We in the trap right now, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we on set. You know what I'm saying? We on set right now, so official, like, got you though. I got you. So what I'll be doing, right? Like I said, you can go through all the trades and I'm gonna have a video, my bad. I'm gonna have a video of all the trades as well. I'm gonna have a video of all the trades as well. It's probably showing up a different way, but this where your bando is. So official Forex giveaway. Official Forex giveaway. I got you. And what's dope about that video, like I'm gonna put some of the trades, but see, I'm mad because I missed one fucking trade and I should have just trailer stopped that shit and I would have got a flawless victory. You feel me? But like just to set it, you feel me? Got some dope shit on the way. You feel me? And so how to enter? I don't know. I was thinking about a bunch of different ways, but I think I want to make it like exclusive for people who fuck with me for real. You know what I'm saying? And who support Ty. So my real supporters, the real people who really fuck with me. So I'm gonna make it for, I guess, like the TFX people. Now you guys could join TFX, check it out for a free trial. Now, hey, there's a positive and a negative. So the negative is you may not win $1,000. But the positive is, shit, all you got to do is get on one of those lives and you get your money right back. You know what I'm saying? You can't technically guarantee, but there are live streams in there, you know what I mean, where you can go ahead and check it out for yourself and see that it's crazy and it's popping. You feel me? So we'll check the reviews and stuff like that. Put some of the reviews in here in the video. Y'all check that out, you know what I'm saying? But that's the official Forex giveaway. And then my blessing to you is basically, shit, come trade with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take care of you. I got you. Come fuck with your boy Ty. I'm going to say right now. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout yourself out. Shout your shit out, bro. Shout shit out.
Yo, gang. I was still shit. Hey, all I got to say is I low-key been learning some Forex today, so I ain't going to lie. I have heard people capping about Forex before. They've been trying to get me to join all these goofy groups and all that stuff. I ain't about it. I ain't trying to spend my money on that shit. But hey, low key, just by filming this shit seemed damn near easy as hell. Just regular shit. I mean, I already do the stock market anyway, so I'll be doing Robinhood and shit, like light shit. But I mean, it's interesting. We about to make some hard shit. We got the different scenarios, the scenes. The females was here. They just left, but shit, we working. This is 9 o'clock. Been filming for like 4 hours already.
Like damn near 4 hours. Up. You feel me?
Damn near 4 hours. Been filming for 4 hours. So shit, we got a lot of the store. We got some VHS footage. We got some crazy shit. Some popping in and out TVs and shit. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be a Forex lesson for sure. It's gonna be a wild Forex lesson for sure.
For sure, yo, AJ, come through. Shout yourself out. You feel me?
Oh shit! Oh, what's happening?
Yeah, we out here vlogging. You feel me?
We vlogging right now. AJ, no more productions. We out here. Casting all.
And then bro got the BTS, so you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be seeing those chop in and stuff, so y'all getting this BTS while we getting it cracking. So like I said, man, appreciate for everybody just tuning in, tapping in. We in here creating I guess some history, you know what I'm saying, some Forex history right now. We in the trade house, you know what I'm saying, official. Nigga, turn your cell phones off, nigga. Turn your cell phones off, nigga. Alright, we about to go up though. We're gonna holler at y'all. Peace.
Renegade with numbers, all money, no blood. 500 in the tank to make it run, no cup. Vision on V12, vision on, that's enough. My still in the game, one bucket in the cut. More like Carlos Slim, I emulate the grace, kill mugger for the win. Real estate deals, moving ways for the dream. Moving different ways, mix it up when they sniff, look.